Yeah, cause
all around the motherfucking car.
it's a 6-cylinder, so
yeah.
it's gonna have all those fucking sensors. Fuck. Yeah. Well, no, not the wheel. I think I got one more.
That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Oh, you got it out?
What's that?
The logo.
Yeah, I got it.
I thought that was still in there.
So there's this bolt that goes here across holding the spindle on. Take that out. There's two back here that holds the strut to the spindle. Now I'm gonna go up top, take those 3 bolts out, and the strut should fall out. So we finally got the struts in. Well, the brand new struts. I gotta put these sway bar links in. Put these 2 back bolts right here. Put this upper one. And button it up. I'm waiting on another sway bar link because they brought me 2. One left, one right. And in the box for the right, there was another left one, so.
Alright, it's coming.
So we got them all put back together. Struts on. Waiting on the other sway bar link so I can put it on. Throw the wheels back on. Take it for a drive.